Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax from Jewelultra is the easiest, fastest and most effective way to clean your car. It's easy to use. First, you spray a light covering on your car, one section at a time. There's enough in one 500ml bottle to clean 3 average-sized cars. Then you simply wipe it off with either a microfiber cloth or ideally our reusable microfiber terry towel. The reusable towel has a thicker pile on one side, which makes it perfect for removing dirt, while the other side is specially designed to help create a sparkling, shiny finish with no scratches. So how does Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax work? Dust, dirt, oily residue, bird droppings, tree sap, pollen and other particles are sticking to your car's paintwork all the time. But the specially formulated ingredients in Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax get to work on even the toughest grime straight away. The unique emulsion of avocado and organo-modified oils reduces the surface tension and stickiness of the dirt particles by surrounding them, detaching them, and holding them within a molecular structure. The active ingredients also create a microscopic layer between the dirt particles and the painted surface, which means no scratching when the dirt's removed. And it's not just the paintwork. Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax works on alloy wheels, windows and leather and plastic seats. Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax is fast, effective and easy to use. It's environmentally friendly, biodegradable, non-toxic and pH neutral. And it helps save water. Washing a car with a hosepipe can waste up to 480 litres of water, which, if you're on a water meter, means up to £1 a wash. Whereas Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax uses no water at all. So using Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax means you're not only saving time, you're doing your bit for the planet as well. And using Waterless Wash and Wax won't affect Diamondbrite paint protection if it's been applied to your vehicle. In fact, it enhances it by providing an additional protective layer. Diamondbrite Waterless Wash and Wax from Jewelultra for cars, caravans, motorhomes, boats and motorcycles. No fuss, no mess, no water. Contact us to find your local stockist or visit our online shop today.